Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix your Apple ID is not illegal to use this application at this time. If you're using any iPhone and you're having the issue that your Apple ID is not eligible to use this application at this time, so let's see how can you easily fix this type of issue. You just have to go back and here the very first thing you have to check, you have to make sure that you have a strong internet connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular, and after that you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. Open settings and go for general, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected, or if you have any connected VPN, try to disconnect that. And once you have done, you just have to go back and here now what you have to do. So the very first thing you have to do, you have to make sure that your Apple ID is associated with an email address. So here you just have to tap on your name or your Apple ID, and from here you have to make sure that your Apple ID is linked with your Gmail account. You haven't enter only your phone number, so you have to make sure that you have a Gmail account based Apple ID. And after that you have to update your device. If you have a Gmail based Apple ID, so you have to update your account phone. So open your settings, then go for general, go for software update, and from here you just have to update your software. And once you have that, you have to verify your Apple ID region. So open your App Store, then tap on your profile in the top right corner, then tap on your account name, and from here you have to change the country and region of your Apple ID. So let's see how can you do that. Very first thing, you have to enter your Apple account password here, and once you have entered your password you will get this type screen. Here you just have to select the country or region, and then you just have to scroll down and look for the country and region in which you're living. And once you have that, you just have to select that, as I have already selected. So you have to select your own country and region. And after that, if your problem is not solved, so let's see how can you do that. You have to open your browser, and here you have to simply search for Apple support, and you have to contact with Apple support to get official help. Select Apple support from here, and then select your device, and here you just have to scroll down and look for the option of get support, and simply tap on the start now option. And from here you have to select your issue, and then you will get the official help from your Apple support center. So in this way you can easily fix if you are having the issue that your Apple ID is not eligible to use this application at the time. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.